Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge, and today's topic is ICT, BC, and CB explained. I'll try my best to make this very explanatory, and I always give a big shout out to my coach. I don't always do any video without giving a shout out to him because he took his time to really guide me in this forex industry, and he always encourages me to teach people to also know how simple trading can be. Now, BC means buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and CB means sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, indirectly fair value gap. Now, we are going to count it in a form whereby we're writing it as here is one. Oh my god, that's big. One, here is two, second candle, and here is what? The third candle, right? Now, in a scenario like this, we're looking for three candles: the first one, the second one, and the third one. Now, what do you take note of? The second candle, any candle you pick, the second candle should have a gap. What do you mean by gap? Let me expand it so you can see it very well. Gap means the wicks are not touching each other. There's a space here. It means that there is order there. It means there is money. So this is what we call this CB, sell side imbalance. CB, sell side imbalance. And what do we have? This buy side inefficiency. Can you see? There's a buy side inefficiency that came to what? To fill this sell side imbalance. That is why it is called CB. Where is my mic? That's why it is called CB, right? Trying to write it for you. That's why it is called CB. Here, my drawing is very poor. While if you look at this area here, this is for the sell side scenario. I draw another example here for the buy side scenario. Don't forget I told you what should you focus on: labeling one, two, and what do we have here? Number three candle, right? Now don't forget you are counting three, but always make sure your number two candle does not have connected wick. Example, you can see this kind of candle here, right? Oh, sorry about that. You can see this kind of candle here around this area. We have three candle, one, two, three, but you can see that the wicks to wick here are connected to each other. There is no what? There is no BC or CB. That's fair value gap. But if you look at this one that I boxed already, I have one, two, three. Always make sure that the second candle has a fair value gap. Can you see it? And this second candle, what does it indicate? This is what? Buy side what? Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And this will be what we name this BC. I said bear with my drawing is kind of whack. Bear with me, right? That's what BC. So this is the difference between a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This is just what? A bullish scenario for a what? A BC, a bullish scenario for BC, what? Buy side imbalance, bullish scenario for BC. And when this happens, we're looking for a sell side inefficiency. So indirectly, your focus is more of the fair value gap. Normally, this is a liquidity void because it has a long momentum of fair value gap. We will indicate this as a whole liquidity void. Does it try to understand the difference between a liquidity void and a fair value gap? It's almost related, but when you have fair value gaps in just long fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, that you just box that area as a full liquidity void, and it can either be used as a form of entry or it can be used as a form of exit. So if you're in a trade and you see a fair value gap below, know that you're about to exit, and if you're above, know that you're about to enter, just vice versa. So for a sell scenario, we have this as CB. Always count the candles one, two, three. The second candle is always where the fair value gap is located. I hope this short video was very impactful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can ask your questions. I'm always excited to answer the questions being emailed to me on the comment section and everywhere. I'm glad to answer you. So feel free to ask your questions and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.